Downtown Kansas City is known for its luxury hotels, fine dining, and entertainment options. Behind us is the Grand Hall at Power and Light. Let's take a tour. On the first floor, we have a little over 5,000 usable square feet. We can accommodate ceremonies for up to 200 people and receptions between both floors for up to 500 people. There's always something going on at the Grand Hall. Today, we have some of Kansas City's finest service providers in this space. Let's see what they're up to.
So we are setting up for an event today at the Grand Hall. We love when we get to be in this space. It's not only gorgeous, but the staff at the Grand Hall are incredible to work with. Just extremely hospitable and always looking for what the client needs, and they make our lives even easier when we're here serving.
The Grand Hall is probably one of my favorite venues to work in Kansas City. It's unique in its architectural features that it has and the history behind the space, and so we're excited to partner with them and offer the quality that the brides are looking for that come to this space.
Okay, so you've seen the ballroom. Now let's head upstairs, check out the suite. We have a gorgeous bridal suite that offers every amenity a bride could want, including backlit mirrors, plentiful closet space, and elegant decor. And we didn't forget about your Grand Hall Groom. Part of the rich decor includes a flat screen TV and a PS4 with a stock of games. When you rent the Grand Hall at Power and Light, you also have full access to our mezzanine area, where we host quite a few cocktail hours. Going up! When hosting your wedding at the Grand Hall at Power and Light, you'll have the opportunity to book a 30-minute photo session on the 31st floor terrace of Power and Light Apartments. Hello, Kansas City! Our downtown location, the rich history of the building, and our designer touches all make the Grand Hall at Power and Light an elegant choice for your event. Celebrate in historic elegance with us.